Can LLC losses be carried forward? Yes, LLC losses can be carried forward, but the details depend on how your LLC is taxed. Since most LLCs are treated as pass-through entities, losses are reported on the owner's personal tax returns. If the loss exceeds what you can deduct in the current year, IRS rules allow you to carry those unused losses forward to offset income in future years. This usually falls under the net operating loss (NOL) rules. After the 2017 Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, NOLs can no longer be carried back, but they can be carried forward indefinitely. The short answer is this: yes, LLC losses can be carried forward under IRS rules, giving you ongoing tax relief until the loss is fully applied against future profits. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and keep it organized, so tracking losses and deductions is much easier. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.